Hello out there. So I have the infamous HEMI 57 1500, which it's got about 100,000 miles on it. So you know what that means. I don't know if y'all can see that in there. If you zoom in a little closer, then you might be able to see it, but I've got a better close-up for you. That right there, I dropped it. That right there is the two broken studs in the rear of the head. The other side is okay. So far I've only got two of them broken. But the other side I'm pretty sure is the same way. So I've seen numerous tricks out there on YouTube, from welding a nut onto it to, obviously using some extractor bits. I don't have a welder, and my bits are at my shop. So I think I might have to leave this for another day. But just wanted to update you. This is a pretty common problem, and from what research I've done, is the Dodge or Chrysler hasn't warranted these things as of yet, which wouldn't really matter right now because to get a warranty it takes time, and I don't have that because I got to get it fixed. See ya.